What is going on, everybody? Hope you're having a great day, great evening, great afternoon, whatever time it is, wherever you are. Right now, we are on the way home. We're finally on leave for 2 weeks. Gonna be in South Carolina for 2 weeks finally. First time I've been home for a long time. I mean, I go home every weekend sometimes, but at least we'll be free for 2 weeks. Thank God. You know what I'm saying? So we're riding the Duramax, and we have some parts to put on as soon as we get back. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the headlights, the LEDs on, the clear headlights, and the LED taillights and third brake light as soon as we get home. And I'm actually gonna get this thing smacked tomorrow. We're gonna have 5% all the way around with the strip and sunroof. And I'll see y'all when we get there. What's going on, everybody? We just got home. Probably been on for about 5 minutes now. But anyways, old girl drove like a dream, like a Cadillac. But she floated like a shark, stung like a deer. I'll tell you that much right now. But anyways, we're on a little bit of sunlight here, and it's a little overcasty. But about to go inside, get all the packages. I have so many packages inside. It's not even funny. It's kind of like Christmas, and I'm so excited to put them on. But headlights and taillights tonight. Hopefully, I'll get it on video. I'm gonna try and grind that out for y'all. And got the exhaust still to do tomorrow, and then get it tuned tomorrow or tinted tomorrow, and then exhaust Friday morning or probably Thursday evening after tint, and then head out to Orangeburg, let Ethan Brown tune my truck, and I'm gonna get the DSP5 switch in it so I can tune on the fly. And yeah, so better go in here, get the headlights. I'm gonna show you all the packages and unbox them for you. Look at all these packages. Alright, we'll start off with this one first. Yes, sir. Always get clears. They look so clean. Something red LED. Looks clean. Love it. Sit. Sit. Shake. Shake. Sit, shake, like a good girl. All right. There's the EGR delete, and here's the tip. Here's the son of a gun next to my head. I can almost dang near wear it. It's 8-inch, so not the 10-inch. Y'all hear that background music? Hey Hunter, turn it up, baby. And we got mirrors. Not doing those till probably Friday. Guys, don't have much battery. That's not my fault though. Alright. Mama Ham just pulled up. Daddy Ham's over there in the Duramax. He's got 15 LML. Alright, anyways. Alright, so we're gonna pop the hood and we're gonna go ahead and get right into it because we don't have much battery. Or light. We're just gonna pull the pins right here. Right at the top. And then these pop out on the side. Pull up with a stick. Alright. Alright, so for the rear, we're just gonna get a screwdriver, 2 screws right here. Pop out right here, plug the harnesses, the bulbs, and reverse light. Out with the old. Alice, come here. Yes, I do. Mom, you're so beautiful. Alright, so for these, you're going to take these bulbs over here for these sockets. And then these have plug-ins, so you just plug them into the stock socket. Mom thinks it's funny. Alright, once you got everything in, don't pay attention to my exhaust to cut off. Once you got everything in, make sure everything works. Indicator light, regular breaker lights. That looks 50 times better already. And we got to work on the third breaker light up there. My eyes popping? Alright, good. No, I'm just kidding. Alright, guys, we just got the battery changed in the camera. So, it is currently 8:41. And we got the batteries charged. So, we better go in here and I got one side done. I'm going to show you what it's like. I'm running into a problem with the high beam. I think the high beam's a little too big to actually secure the light for the, like, actually be able to line the holes up. And I'll show you that in a second. I'm about to wear the headlamp, so it's probably not going to be too much face cam. But I'll be showing you how to do it. And I also have these, license plate lights. I haven't seen anybody run these yet, and saw them from a truck, and hopefully they're bright, rather than regular T10 bulbs, because that's what I had right now. But essentially you just plug this into the T10, and it actually is a whole new socket for your license plate light, and it comes with a lot of them, so that's pretty neat. Not too expensive, and hopefully they're bright. So we're about to find out. Get out of here. This high beam right here sits way too back to like actually secure it, or I'm about to actually just pop the grill off real quick and see if that'll help. But here are the new ones, the switchbacks and LEDs, and here are the old ones. Alright, so we're having technical difficulties with the high beam, letting it fit. So right now I'm just letting it rest right here. I'm gonna take the whole grill off, and then I'm gonna see what I can do, see if I can make it fit or not. I'm trying to see if it'll actually get too hot for the fans, because right here is touching right here, and I don't want it to melt while I'm driving, because that's low beam's gonna be on the whole time. So take headlights off in a 2003 to 2007. I'm gonna take this off. Not sure about the 2001 or 2s or 9902s. Take that off right there, and I'll just one hand, boys. All right, and headlight plugs in the back. Alright, there's your headlight. Drop that. Hopefully that headlight don't fall. And you want to get this grill piece right there. You just want to scratch your paint up, just like I did. For these, same thing. You just, or if that don't work, there's a little tab right here that you push instead of trying to, right there, push it. And then that comes up. And then you got T10 connection right there, turn signals, and that goes. Alright, these are the switchbacks. T10 bulb for the marker light. Focus. Alright, now just gonna pop that in here. Alright. Now what I just did is pop these low beams, high beams off. High beams on the middle, low beams on the outside. Pop that off, and then right now, so what I figured out is on these headlights, the nipple that actually connects right here is opposite. So that's not going to work, so you're going to reverse it in the reverse polarity, so that should work. And just plug it in right there. It's not going to click or anything, but it'll work. And then we're going to set that right there. And now I'm just going to let the, I'm going to turn the truck on for a little bit and see how hot these fans get. So if I know it's safe enough to let it rest right here on this plastic. Alright, they're on. I'm going to wait a couple minutes, see how hot they get. Looks so clean though. Look at that. So bright. So a couple minutes have passed. They're not that hot. Actually, I thought they were a lot hotter. The fins are right. Let's see if we'll focus. Right there. The fins are right here, but the fan actually is not. One of our resistors, or freaking turn signals, switchbacks, started turning yellow, staying yellow. So let's see if I can fix that. But other than that, I'm about to install them, and then I'll give you a final look in a second. Alright everybody, that's going to do it for today's video. Be sure to drop a like, subscribe, and wait for more content. I'm going to show you a little walk around the video at night, or walk around the truck at night, and then tomorrow morning I'm going to do another video on tow meters.